Hey, it's Sealy Clark here. I'm going to be reviewing a little bit about Ads Messenger. That's a viral mailer or a safe list. It's ads dot. Jeez, live videos are awesome. Ads dash messenger.com, as you can see here. All right. So, a lot of times with safe lists and viral mailers, which you may know a little about if you've stumbled across this video, is sometimes they can be a pain right in the hind end and only let you open 3 or 5 at a time and whatnot. This has a functionality, of course I have them built in here. It has a functionality you can read all the active messages in the system. So I'm going to go from my email where it says read all the active messages in the system, click the link below. This is the value, this is what I see for you as a newer user. Then you see it brings you to this place on the messenger where you can read all these. Okay, I'm going to refresh this page because I was just on here fiddle farting around. All right, now here is where you do it. You right click, open link in new tab. Go down, right click, open link in new tab. I'm going to do this a little bit here just to give you an idea. Doing this again and again. Again and again and again and again. Bear with me, folks. So that's one of the things, as you can see, just by you doing this real quick so as not to take a bunch of your time, is you can do more than 3, more than 5, more than 10. I think this thing is set at like 50, which is super cool. I'll show you why here in a second. Let me get some more of these opened up. What you're doing, of course, is earning points. You're reading emails towards your send points. So it's really, really simple. You watch, you read whatever they have here for a certain amount, and you get to send out. So I've opened 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, 18 of these suckers. Now, if you're on a Windows computer, little secret time, if you hit Ctrl Tab, oof, match the number. This number to the left is the one you need to find in here and match. Okay, now Control Tab. That's on a Windows computer. You can flip tabs quick. So that's a nice little secret time. So you click the match number, your tab, you click it again, your tab, you click it again, and you can really cruise through here at a decent clip and earn your credits in the time it takes me to sit here and talk about it. So let's see how long it takes me to read 18 of them. So click the credit for 18 of them. Now we're 3 minutes into the video, but it would take not that much time if I weren't talking to you. No offense. Multitasking is sometimes fun, but that just goes to show that you can read a lot of emails fast, click for a lot of credits, and especially using the Control Tab function on your Windows computer. Mac users, sorry, don't know how to do that yet. Haven't got a Mac. Looking forward to it. But look up how to quick tab change. You can Google it. That's how I found out that my Windows computer can do it. So please feel free to dig around on the web and find that out. And again, this is Ads Messenger. This is a safe list, viral mailer, whatever you want to call it. I'll show you here. And if you come across it, of course, it will be looking like this. You can hit the join button if you want to. And it's really super simple to sign up to. See it right here. So anyway, that's why I think Ads Messenger is one of the best safe list viral mailers to use if you're a newbie, and you can really crank through it, open a lot of emails, get a lot of points, and send your stuff out to the world in, approximately 4 minutes, because that's how long this video is, and I was taking longer because I was talking. So anyway, hope you found value in this video. If you like what you see here, you can come in, sign up, look around here, and make sure to like, comment, subscribe on this video, subscribe to my channel so you get more fun rambling stuff like this. Anyway, I wish you the best, stay out of trouble, and like I always say, be yourself, help others.